Okay, we're in section 5 now. And again, this is the optional material. You're not going to be tested on it, and you should not be using this to do homework. I want to point out some of the power of computer algebra systems to do problems that we can't do by hand. But everything that we presented to you can be done by hand, by the way, and easily so. All right, so let's click on this over here. And it's going to open up a website. And I'm going to do the CoCalc Instant Sage worksheet. Again, this should be very familiar to you. Welcome to CoCalc. I'm going to do a new. I'm going to click on new. And what kind of sheet I'm going to do? Sage worksheet. And what I want to do is just type in the commands. Reset. Shift return. X is a variable. Again, we've been doing this for some time now. And then I'm going to ask it to factor. And again, I'm a little tired. So let me just copy paste. Now I'm going to say you should be able to factor this without using a computer algebra system. All right. Factored it. Now someone says, well, if a machine can do it, why don't I just do all the homework using a machine? No, you need to learn to do this by hand. All right. Now, some problems may be more difficult. Let me just type in another one over here. And you know what? I'm going to type in something that I wouldn't expect you to do by hand. And I'm going to type in another variable. Return. And I'm going to say, I wonder if this can factor, and I'll write this down for you. X squared minus y squared. You can certainly do that. All right. Now I'm going to just, try something different and see 3 and 3. You did that. Let me do 4 and 4. And you may see patterns to this. I see that. Let me do 5 and 5. Whoops, sorry about that. These kind of things we would never expect to do by hand. All right. You see what it's doing though? It's factoring it, right? Let me do, I don't know, let me do 11. See if it can do it. Maybe you can't. Wow, it factored it. Pretty remarkable, by the way. All right. It's really remarkable what this can do. All right. As you study mathematics further, you're going to appreciate that machines really can do really nice things.